This is the coveted insulated mug. Everybody wants one of these. It's amazing. This is the unboxing. What is this called? This is the RTIC Roadtrip tumbler, 30 ounces of cool goodness inside. And this is Pacific Glitter. Pacific Glitter. Oh man, oh, it's amazing. And not just one straw, but 2 straws come with it. Wow. Look at this.
That's actually a really cool color.
Oh, this is...
That's that.
Straw in the top, vacuum sealed. Or you can drink.
Does it do your homework?
Yes.
Does it sit in class and take notes?
Here it's double threaded or something. So
Whoa.
if you're left-handed, so I guess it's a ceramic interior, and then I believe if you're left-handed or something, you can...
And this keeps your drinks cold for like 365 days.
I guess not an hour.
And hot for
365
365 days.
Yeah, exactly. Dishwasher safe. Keeps ice for hours. Ceramic lined, heat leak resistant 3-in-1 lid. No metallic taste or odor. It's easy to clean.
Well, if you like this video, subscribe to these awesome profiles of cool goodness.
Yeah.
Alright, enjoy everyone. I hope this gets as much attention that mom's blog did, that all of a sudden RTIC will go crazy.